Introducing the 2024 Ford Focus ST-Line 1.0T 125 M6 FWD in sleek grey. This hatchback comes fully loaded with comfort and technology features including air conditioning, Bluetooth and cruise control. Enjoy the convenience of features like power steering, remote audio controls and a Wi-Fi network. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking. Plus, the stylish exterior boasts privacy glass, roof rails and a spoiler. With a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specification, and a comprehensive warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today. Drive confidently in the 2024 Ford Focus ST-Line 1.0T 125 M6 FWD.